tried to get rid of a chat on your Instagram DM but did not want to delete it? Today, I want to show you how to do it, and this is actually a trick. There is no one button to do such thing. You are going to open your Instagram and head over to the DMs. Let's say I want to lock my chat with this one from my direct messages. As you can see, if I hold on it, I only have the delete option or mute option, and the rest of them don't really work for me. So I just tap on it, and then I tap on his name on top. And from the options, I choose to restrict him. By doing this, I won't see his name on my DM list anymore, and instead I have locked his chat in my requests. So if I want to unrestrict him and text him again, I just have to tap unrestrict and accept like this, and then I will be able to message him again and his name appears in the list again. If you like sneaky tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.